I have over $50,000 of debt. Most of it is business debt, but also personal credit that I've had for over 10 years. I've made tons of money. I have multiple businesses. I'm married, and I have 3 kids right now. It is simply overwhelming, and I've been at this journey for quite some time now. It hasn't been until recently that I decided to get real serious about my debt because stuff is about to explode. My business have been profitable, but I've also spent more. I just can't seem to take priority and pay things off. I can make money, I can borrow money, but I can't pay it back. What is my problem? You are going to see from A to Z my journey as long as it takes me in order to get debt free and get into the black with my businesses. I'm a black man in America. I have a Southern upbringing with Southern mannerisms, but with the East Coast slang because I was raised on the East Coast. So hopefully out of my failures, out of my successes, you guys can follow along with me as I'm gonna drop my knowledge, my game, also my failures. So me making this video, this YouTube channel, putting my life on blast, you get to see whether I succeed or fail. Stay tuned. We're going to go over starting businesses the proper way, what to do with the money that you make, what to do with the money that you don't make, side hustles, credit cards, business credit, all the above. Welcome to 401k Minority Millionaire. See you guys in the next video.